A Capital One secured credit card works similarly to a traditional credit card but requires a security deposit to establish a credit line. Here's how it works. Security deposit. When opening the account, the cardholder must provide a security deposit, which typically determines their credit limit. The deposit amount can vary but is often between $49 and $200 depending on the applicant's creditworthiness. Credit building. The cardholder can use a secured credit card to make purchases, just like a regular credit card. Capital One reports the cardholder's payment history to the major credit bureaus, helping them build or rebuild their credit history over time. Credit limit. The credit limit on the Capital One secured credit card is typically equal to the amount of the security deposit. However, responsible card use and timely payments may qualify the cardholder for a credit limit increase without an additional deposit. Interest and fees. The card may come with an annual fee, although some Capital One secured credit cards waive this fee. Cardholders should also be aware of the interest rates and fees associated with the card, which can vary depending on the card's terms and conditions. Graduation. With responsible credit use, Capital One may review the account after a period of time and may offer to upgrade a secured card to an unsecured credit card. This often involves returning the security deposit to the cardholder while allowing them to keep the credit line.